The Xiaomi Truclean Wet and Dry Vacuum is designed to make everyday floor cleaning feel effortless and complete, combining vacuuming and washing into one smooth, reliable motion that genuinely refreshes your floors instead of just making them look clean. From the first pass, it lifts dust, crumbs, hair, and sticky residue while washing the surface at the same time, leaving floors evenly clean rather than streaky or patchy. Its balanced movement and controlled water flow make it easy to use regularly without worrying about overwetting or long drying times, which is especially reassuring in homes with pets, kids, or heavy foot traffic. Over time, floors stay fresher because dirt is collected in a separate dirty water tank instead of being spread around, reinforcing a strong sense of hygiene. Daily use is simple and intuitive. Fill the clean water tank, power it on, guide it slowly forward and back, then empty the dirty tank and run the self cleaning cycle. The result is a consistent, low effort cleaning routine that feels practical, hygienic, and dependable.